Hello everyone, this is Everything Horror. We love to talk about everything horror. And in today's video, we are going to be going over the horror pack. I got this month's horror pack shipped to me in the mail, and we're going to open that up. But before we do so, I want to open up this other package I received. These are actually t-shirts. Let's go ahead and take a look what is inside. I know what's in here, but you guys don't. Alright. Oh my gosh. How to open. So I got these at everyone's favorite horror store. Kohl's. Kohl's has some pretty dope stuff, man. Let's go ahead and take a look here at what I got. Okay. So the first shirt I got was a creature shirt. Creature from the Black Lagoon. Pretty cool, right? He's taking a peek above the water. I really like the design of that one. Feels great too. This is really good quality. It's actually from the Universal Monsters line, so it's really good. And then I couldn't go without my main. This is the Wolfman. It's howling at the moon. Pretty cool. So yeah, you guys, these feel like pretty good quality. I like the way it feels. It's a great look. Doesn't smell bad. There's some shirts that smell bad, you know. They have that printer smell, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm babbling here. Alright, so let's get into the meat and potatoes. It's right here. Okay. Let's get up in it. Cut open. Freaking open the box. What's in the box? Oh my god, I broke it open a little bit too much. Okay, and it's in the bubble wrap. Okay, first one. Let's see what's in here. Alright, 47 meters down. You know what? I've never watched this. Because I had heard reviews of it not being that great. But now I have it, and I have no other choice. So let's check that one out. Next is... okay, so we have a slipcover for this one. From the executive producers of Texas Chainsaw and Day of the Dead. The Scent. It feeds on the darkness within. I don't know what it's supposed to say there. Huh. Looks interesting. Looks like it'll be a possession movie. Day of the Dead. Is this like the remake? And some of this looks like it's in different language. Un regard neuf sur le... I don't know. What language is that? Spanish? Okay, let's see what's next. So far, movies that I definitely haven't watched. Okay, so this is a horror pack limited edition Blu-ray. What is killing the campers at Ashburn Waters? Huh. Let's see what the synopsis says. When Brett agreed to join his friends on a high school camping reunion camping trip, he thought the height of his worries would be dealing with his ex-girlfriend and her new flame. Oh, that sucks. But little did he know that the campground Ashburn Waters has been closed due to unexplained murders, and now his friends are falling victim to the campground's curse one by one. Here's the back of it. I've never heard of this. So far, so good, horror pack. These are definitely ones that I haven't watched at all. Okay, and then A Night in the Woods. From the makers of Bronson and Monsters. Huh. Looks like it's a found footage film. So, Night in the Woods. So when three friends go hiking, jealousies, sexual tensions, and strained relationships come to a head, turning what should have been a peaceful camping adventure into a terror trip. As collective paranoia reaches fever pitch, it becomes clear that there is a much darker force at work in their ancient, eerie surroundings. Who or what is after them? And can any one of them survive a night in the woods? Huh. It looks interesting. Well, that's the horror pack, you guys. Anyways, you guys, have you gotten the horror pack yet? Or let me know what you thought of the films that you've received. I'd appreciate it if you gave this video a like. And make sure to subscribe. Anyways, this is Everything Horror, where we love to talk about everything horror. Take care, peeps.